What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my MiniVerse. Today we are checking out some babies, which is why we have out our shadow box nursery to set the vibe. We made this display for Zuru, my mini baby, because the babies are a great size for our 1/6 scale world, so we can use them in our Barbie photography. But you know how Zuru mini brands and MGA's MiniVerse like to give us options? So MGA's MiniVerse came out with their own squishy babies with Make It Mini baby food. These are all surprise capsules, so sometimes you don't know which baby you're gonna get. But MGA's MiniVerse sometimes has a cheat code where we can find pinholes or marks on the wrapper, helping us to figure out which one is inside. 2 capsules with a pinhole in the same spot sometimes have the same item. I say sometimes because stuff can change. But y'all, MGA just released another collection of mini babies, and we're gonna check them out today. Here is MGA's MiniVerse Make It Mini Real Baby. At the top it says Nurture. I bought this capsule on MGA's website for $11.99. On the wrapper, we can see some of the accessories. It says so soft, so real, and that there are 8 to make and collect. I'm not seeing any pinholes around MiniVerse, but I do see a tiny dot or a mark on the last line of these words. See it? Right there under the A? Let's compare it to another capsule. This one has a mark under the letter P on the first word. So we have 2 different marks. Hopefully that means we have 2 different babies inside. It also says may contain bubble bath, baby doll lotion, baby doll cream, and powder. And I have some ingredients on the side. I always like to read the fine print so I know what I'm dealing with. Personally, I'm not overly excited about all that. I just want the minis. We're gonna open the capsule that has a mark under the A on the second word. If that is even the code, cause I don't know. I remove the outer wrapper. Oh, and check that out. I got twins. Remove the inner wrapper. I got a pink and clear capsule with a little shield that can open. This totally reminds me of that thing that Grogu flies around in. Let's see, can we just take the little babies out? Can we move this? Yeah, we can. I got 2 babies with eyes that are painted open. One of them has a little extra paint all over it. They have a little bit of a smell. It's not great. We are getting 2 different poses. They both come with diapers that are removable. The fabric sticks to itself like the diapers from the earlier series, which I think is pretty cool. However, on my baby, the paint on the lips is off a little, and I think the overspray on this one might be difficult to remove. We get a plastic mat, and inside the capsule, we find more goodies. Ooh, are we getting a little stacking toy? We do get some do's and don'ts. Warning, not food, do not eat. Compounds in each pack are for doll use only. Do not use on children. Wash hands thoroughly after use. Avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse with water immediately. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Use in a well-ventilated area? Yeah, I gotta make sure I read this. We get a collector's guide showing us all the different babies in this collection, like bath time bundle, nap time bundle, and diaper change bundle, and the rare twins that we already found. On the back, there are more instructions showing us how to put together the minis and how to take care of our ultra rare twins. We got a play mat. It comes in a plastic bag. It feels like it's made out of craft foam, and it's a little puzzle that we can put together with the pieces interlocking, adding a little sunshine to the nursery. We can sit the little babies on top and display our collection. I got a box that says stacking toy. It's kind of cute and finished all the way around. Let's open it up and see our new mini, which is a cute little cat stacking toy. The head is removable, so we can remove the rings. Yeah, that's kind of cute. We also have a paper bag that we can open. Ooh, looks like we have a little basket inside with a happy matching sun. There's a tag on the basket that says Diaper Caddy, and it has a barcode. This could be a cute prop for like a baby shower, or to just place it on the shelf in a baby store. There is stuff inside. We have a box of diapers with 2 diapers inside and a bag of wipes that we can open and pull out one of the little wipes. Oh my goodness. This is kind of cute. We can make it look like we're about to change their diapers. The wipes are not wet, so this set did not come with anything that could make a mess. Here's the baby compared to a Make It Mini baby food baby. These two look like the same mold, only now the eyes are painted open. So they should be compatible, and even the little sun theme is the same, which I love. I love when things match, allowing us to build on a collection. Let's open a capsule with a dot under the letter P on the first word. Hopefully it's not a double, and so far, no. This one has a blue capsule with a little baby with a bear theme. Oh, it's a little bear tub. We get a light brown bear towel. This baby's eyes are also open. It has blonde painted hair and comes with a diaper. The pose is different from the first two. The towel is a square. It feels like the edges are singed. The tub has paw prints in the bottom. We get a plastic shower cap that comes in packaging that we can open. Oh, it's flexible and it just fits onto the baby's head like a crown. There's a paper bag, and inside we get a little bath caddy. I'm loving these caddies. This one has holes in it. I would totally use this for a doll going to college. Again, we have tags letting us know what the items are. We have a bottle of bubble bath and a bear rinse cup along with instructions. This one requires water, so we need a protected surface. I laid down some clear plastic, add a little water to the tub, remove the cap from the soap, squeeze the bottle to add it to the tub. Oh, there it goes. Haha! I did shake it a little, but wow, look at that! It comes out all foamy. Then we can add the baby for bath time and use the rinse cup to pour more water on the baby. This can definitely be a little bit of a mess, so you've been warned. Then we can dry the baby off and bath time is over. Opening capsule number 3. This one has a dot on the second A of the first word. So far, we've gotten a bath time bundle and a diaper change bundle. Hopefully this time we'll get to see a nap time bundle. But honestly, as long as it's not a double, I'm good. This one's sleeping in a basket. I think we got a nighttime bundle. Oh, but the basket looks like packaging. Oops. It's a thin plastic basket with a baby fully stretched out. This one's eyes are closed and it has light brown or reddish colored hair. We get a bunny rattle that has a knit texture and painted details. Also got a pink changing pad that has Velcro and unfolds. Oh, the inside feels like a thin vinyl, kind of like it's waterproof, even though I don't know if it is, but it feels like it. So the baby can just chill there while it gets its diaper changed. Wait a minute. This is another diaper change bundle. It's not a nap time bundle, which I am actually okay with because I think that means we get another caddy. Oh, and we got a little capsule mattress thing and the collector's guide with instructions. What? I'm not trying to do all that. Let's open the bag to see our minis. This time, it's a little bunny set. We get a bunny basket with a face. We got a jar of ointment that says baby doll lotion on the back. When we open it, there's a little protective lid inside. Then there's the lotion that we can scoop out and apply to the baby. We get another bag of wipes in pink and a pink box of diapers with 2 diapers inside. And that's everything in this capsule. Capsule number 4 has a dot under the H of the second word. And so far, we haven't gotten any doubles. And I feel pretty confident in saying that because all the dots have been in different places. This one is a yellow capsule and we have another plastic basket for the third diaper change bundle, which is not a double because it's different. This baby has its eyes open and a little thumb. It doesn't stay. We have a kitty rattle, the changing mat in turquoise, a plastic mattress for the capsule, and a bag with a kitty caddy. We get wipes again, a box of diapers, and diaper cream that can actually squeeze out. And that's everything in this capsule. So I didn't get a nap time bundle. However, I did get a sleeping baby So let's make a little matchbox for it to sleep in. I made a quick printable and printed it on cream-colored cardstock. It's 2 pages that can be downloaded for free on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. Then we can cut it out, fold and crease it on the lines, take the tabs and glue them to the rectangles right next to them. And you will start to see that we are forming a box. Then take the flaps and we're going to glue them on the inside to make the inner box that is large enough to fit the baby. Cut a scrap of cardstock into a rectangle, add a layer of felt, and cover it with fabric, gluing it in the back to make a little mattress that we can glue inside the box. Cut 2 squares of fabric, lay them good side to good side, sew around the edge, leaving an opening, then cut the corners, flip it through the opening, and sew it closed to make a blanket for our sleeping baby, or even one that is wide awake. Then we can take the cover and decorate it however you want. You can use packaging or draw and color a design. I lightly sketched a design inspired by those little mouse matchboxes. I saw them in a local toy store and thought they were too cute. I went over in ink, then I used some alcohol markers to color it. Then cut it out, fold on the lines, glue the tab to the back, then place the box inside to make a mini baby matchbox that we can slide open to see the baby. And it's large enough to fit a My Mini Baby as well. This could be a cute gift idea for a few doubles that you want to share with friends. And that is our first look at MJ's MiniVerse Make It Mini Real Baby Nurture. They look like a good size with the Barbie, and we can totally use those accessories in the dollhouse too. But let us know what you think about these mini babies in the comments down below. Are they a buy or a pass? Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few minis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!